Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new RST Freestyle 3 D3O Leather Short Gloves. The all-new Freestyle 3 D3O gloves retail for $84.99. As of the time we're shooting this, please understand we never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. Right out of the bag, these things fit and feel pretty comfortable. They are going to require a little bit of break-in. You've got your external seams, which are more comfortable. I feel it a little bit here at the end of the fingers. I've also worn a lot of gloves over the years, and I think that's something that's going to go away very quickly. You just need to ride them a little bit, wear them a little bit, and it's going to go away. These are really right for someone who wants a good hot weather riding glove, maintain the protection that leather and a palm slider have to offer, right? But you don't want to break the bank. The $84.99 is a pretty tasty price for a full leather chassis, touchscreen compatible leather fingers, D3O reinforcement, and that palm slider. That palm slider is there for protection and just to help keep the glove together. In the event of a fall, most of us instinctively are going to try and put your hands out, maybe to brace for impact, right? Instead of having just leather there, that plastic slides very easily. It helps to avoid injury to the wrist, the scaphoid. That's terrible. It's harder to wear through than the leather. It helps keep the glove together, right? And it just promotes a slide more than a catch and grab. This glove has a ton of perforation. If you want to zoom in between the fingers, Clark, fully perforated between the fingers, going to drive a ton of air in there. Love that. Nice motion panel back here. As you wrap your fingers around the bars, it just moves great with you. Like a neoprene cuff. Velcro closure. Multiple layers of leather here in the pinky area as well as the palm. That's reinforced with D3O. Got an overlay right here in the high wear area. Touchscreen compatibility. Good looking glove, available in multiple colors. Got a good looking knuckle protector there. It's got some flexibility, motion panels in the fingers. All in all, it's a great all-around short leather glove that sells at a super affordable price. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gloves for your next ride.